is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam a messiah of our times? This topic is a borrowed topic. Borrowed in the sense that I took this topic from someone else. There is a Christian American writer by the name Karen Armstrong. You have heard Neil Armstrong? Not his sister, but her name is Karen Armstrong, who is a writer on comparative religion, the field in which I deal with. I deal in Islam and comparative religion, and she also writes on comparative religion. She have written many books like Prophet Muhammad in Islam and various other books, but she wrote a book in 2006 with the topic Prophet Muhammad, a prophet of our times. The topic was Prophet Muhammad, a prophet of our times. Being a Christian, she defended Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Being a Christian, she answered the allegations on Prophet Muhammad, his marriages, the allegation of sword, spreading his religion on the point of sword. Being a Christian, she answers all the question in her book, Prophet Muhammad, the prophet of our times. What we Muslims, being Muslims can't do, she as a Christian did. And when she wrote the book, after reading her book, Khushwant Singh, a writer from India, he writes an article in the Telegraph. This is the article in the Telegraph dated February 16, 2008. In this article, Khushwant Singh gives the title, A Messiah of Our Time. Prophet Muhammad, a Messiah of our time. Generally, he wrote critical things about Islam. But this time, after reading this book, he writes this topic. And he says that after having the revelations from God, they proclaimed Muhammad as the new Messiah. Meaning, he took Messiah as a prophet. Messiah.
हमारे चैनल IRPC इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल बटन पे क्लिक करें ताकि हमारा सारा वीडियो आप तक ज़रूर पहुँचे।